We're here in Asheville, North Carolina for a conference with the independent insurance agents of North Carolina. They've brought together all of their leaders from around the state to talk about employee engagement and experience, and they've asked me to deliver my signature keynote, the Tip Jar Culture. See, we're here to talk about employee engagement, but all of the money and initiatives that we've thrown at engagement have been thrown at the symptom, not the cause. In 2023, the state of engagement in the insurance agency is such that only 27% of your employees are coming to work engaged. What's more concerning is that 18% of your employees are coming to work actively disengaged.
I think Greg did an amazing job. He got the crowd engaged right away, and there was a lot of good takeaways. He gave really nice, applicable things that they can go back to their agencies and just take right away.
What you do is valuable work. Your challenge is to help communicate that value in a language that your people understand and appreciate.
Having music as part of the keynote was very engaging, and then once the piano kicked in, it changed the dynamic in the room, so it was great.
Now more than ever, leaders are being developed. They can either be on the leading edge or the losing end, and it's my job to make sure they're winning. We don't know the last time we're going to be able to do something we absolutely love. And my bet is that all of you absolutely love what you do in this room. I want you to transfer that emotion to the people that you work with. Help them find something they love in that experience. Engagement is not your problem, the experience is.